Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. Yesterday, for second straight day, US markets were higher. Some retail sales data came, so the data was good. So markets rallied for second straight day. But more than the retail sales data, so what is important for the last 4 or 5 days or 2 or 3 trading sessions, the Trump has not been speaking anything. As long as Trump is not speaking anything, the markets will go higher. So that is the situation in US right now. But Nasdaq was down slightly. That's because mainly, Tesla and Nvidia fell. You know why Nvidia is falling? That's because of the China announced the DeepSeek, so that is giving a nightmare to all the chip stocks in the world. And yesterday, BYD, the electric vehicle manufacturer in China, so they have announced a super fast charging. So that is 2 times more faster charging than the Tesla's supercharging. So that is one of the reasons why Tesla is falling. And anyway, now the Tesla, Elon Musk is seen as a political personality than a businessman. If there are two major parties, if you are closely associated with one party, then naturally the other party people will not like to buy your car. So that is the story of Tesla. So Tesla it has already corrected more than 50%. So it's in big trouble, and the Chinese competition is going to be very tough. So if I have a choice to buy a stock, and I will definitely buy the BYD stock. So that is the best electric vehicle company as of today. I think today also it is up about 6% in Hong Kong market. Asian markets are higher. The GIFT Nifty is indicating about 140, 150 point higher opening for our market. So this is very, very significant. So why this is significant? If the markets open around 140 point higher, and if the gap is, if that gap up is sustained, then there is a likelihood that today we will be closing in green for the month of March series. The February series, Nifty closed around 22,650, and yesterday the Nifty closed around 22,510. So that means a gap of 140 points. Since the markets have been falling continuously for the last 5 months, right? So the bulls will be losing their heart if sixth month also Nifty closes in negative territory. So in all probability, the hope will be returning to the bulls, so that for the month of March we may close positive. So at least today, we should close somewhere around the February expiry day closing level. Coming to some stock specific, rating agency Moody, so they said that Infosys and TCS are more or less safe from the Trump tariff administration. So, recently, I think both the stocks have fallen so much. TCS has fallen from 4,500 to below 3,500, and Infosys close to 2,000. Now it has come to 1,600, 1,650 like that. Okay, so both the stocks, they are under pressure for the last few weeks. So today they may react positively for this news. And other news, Bajaj Finserv was one of the best performers yesterday. But today there is a news that, Bajaj Finserv is pumping in 24,000 crore to buy their partner stake, Bajaj Alliance. So Alliance stake, plus the insurance company also. So their Alliance stake they are buying, Bajaj is buying. So, that was already reflected yesterday. So Bajaj Finance and Bajaj Finserv, so they both will be in focus today. And Ola Electric, it fell 7% yesterday as one of its subsidiary filing for bankruptcy. And I can tell you, in the next few years, no matter what Trump does, or no matter what Elon Musk does, So these Chinese electric vehicles are likely to sweep the world markets in next few years. Even in Indian market also, there is one company, MG Cyberster. So it is a convertible car, so which is likely to be launched next month. So they have actually launched it, but they did not tell the price. So they said that prices will be announced in March. So in April, the delivery may start. So that is one of the cheapest electric convertible cars in India if it comes. But we do not know about the pricing because now there's a lot of speculation about, is it 110% tax or 15% tax and that kind of things. So overall, one good thing in the March. So number one, markets are not continued to fall. Of course, it fell about 600 point. It broke 22,000 one day on panic, then recovered. And now for the last many trading sessions, markets are consolidating. That consolidation is happening around 22,550. So if the market moved decisively above 22,550 and the 50% Fibonacci retracement level, so then we can hope for the next target. Right? So that is one thing. And second thing, for the month of March, the Nifty is likely to turn positive. So we still have many more trading sessions. So today is Tuesday. So we have about 8 more trading sessions. So let us hope for something positive. Already many retail people I come across. Right? So yesterday also I went to a government office. So met one government officer. She said she has stopped all the SIPs. Right? So there are many people lost the faith and then they are stopping the SIP. That is actually not the correct way. So, the people continue to do the SIP when the market go higher, but they stop SIP on the way down. But you can change the strategy from, if you've been doing SIP in mid cap, so maybe you can shift it to large cap. So that kind of things you can do, but stopping abruptly is not a good idea. So in future, if the markets go up, so you will regret not participating at the lower levels. So that's all for today. And so I'm still, of the same view that 22,200 to 22,800 for this weekly. So if the market closes above 22,650, so that is the February expiry level. So then I might consider shifting my upper band to 22,800 to 23,000. Right? So earlier I said, the lower band was 21,800, so that I shifted to 22,000. So that's because, the markets moved significantly higher from 22,000. So that is the right view. But one good thing is that the markets are trading with some positive bias. But at the same time, so don't chase the market in a gap up. Don't go and take any long position. Likely there will be some selling. So yesterday itself, we have seen the markets were so nice, but FIIs have sold for about 5,000 crore. I think that 5,000 crore is selling is one of the highest selling in the month of March series. At least in Jan and Feb, so they were net buyers for 1 or 2 trading session. So for the March series, so far they've been net sellers on every trading session, and now they are aggravating their selling. So that is something bad. So therefore, have some positive bias, but don't chase the market. So that is a message for today. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.